Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different artifacts that you can create at your own places. Let's begin with the first one. For this one you may require a pencil that you just have to sharpen using a sharpener. After that you just have to create this SpongeBob image. You just pause the video and try to follow the each step in a sequential manner. Here you can see how with the precision we are trying to make this one. Let's move further towards our another artifact. First you just have to take the pencil, you just have to sharpen it and create that's apparent on here, and after that you just have to convert it into a sheep. Here you can see how we have just made its characteristic features like its fluffy fur that's somewhat whitish in color, and after that you just have to follow the each step properly. Let's move further with our another artifact. Here we are going to show you how we can create this cute little puppy. For this one you just have to make a cylindrical type of the shape for its ears, and after that somewhat round, or we can say curvy a little bit from one side. You just have to convert it into the face. Now the rest of the body is to be made. It looks so cute. Let's move further and try to make a cute little kitty. For this one you just have to make a curvier, and after that you just have to create the two triangular shapes that are going to represent the ears, and in between you are going to place with the help of your pencil you can create the whiskers that you just have to mark three lines from both ends of the face. It looks so cute. Let's now move towards our another artifact. Again, you may require a pencil for this one. You just have to first make a round shape, and after that you just have to make the two nostrils. Then you just have to make another round figure over it that's going to represent the bull of this face of this bull. After that you just have to make the two cone type of the shapes that are going to represent the antlers, and after that the rest of the body is to be made. Let's now move further towards another activity. For this one you just have to first make this vertical line. After that you just have to make some curve here, and from the top you just have to make a round face, and then the leaf two structures are made that will going to represent the ears of this giraffe. After that you just have to make rest of the features. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly in a sequential manner. Let's move further and try to make this cute little dog. First you just have to trace down a figure that's somewhat similar to 6, then you just have to write another 6, and after that you just have to write 2, then the 1. Now we have already 4 numbers that are apparent here. You have to build the whole image of this dog using these numbers. You just have to join them one after the another. It looks so cute, and it's easiest of all. Let's move further and try to make this bunny. You just have to first make a round figure. After that you just have to trace down the 2 and the 1 number. After that you can see how we are creating the long ears. Then we are adding some of the facial features like the eyes and the teeth and the whiskers, and the rest of the body is to be made by joining all these lines together. It's holding a carrot. It looks so cute and so good. Let's now move towards another activity. You just have to make a round, and over it you just have to place another bigger round circle. Then you just have to make two smaller 4 circles from both ends. After that ears are to be made, then the features are to be added. After that the nose portion is made. You just have to join all these circles together using some of the curved lines to make a body. Let's move further. Try to make this bunny. First you just have to make the long 2 ears as apparent here. After that you just have to add the facial features of this little rabbit. You can see how we are creating the eyes and the teeth. After that you just have to make the rest of the body like it's holding a carrot in its hand, and it looks so cute and so easy. Definitely give this one a try. Let's now move further towards another activity. For this one you just have to make these bend type of the shapes, and after that you just have to work on the front portion. We are going to convert it in an elephant, that's a giant animal, and the larger one you just have to see how you can create the trunk portion, ears, and the rest of the body. This is again very simple and very easy, best suitable for the small kids.